Good morning. Welcome to Landrace Farm LGD Rescue. That's Livestock Guardian Dog. And I'm here with one of the puppies, the female. No names yet. Yeah, the female pup, maybe 4 or 5 months. I believe the Marimois. I believe either that or Pyrenees Marimois. I don't know, their heads seem a little thinner than a Pyrenees. And they're a little bit more mellow than a Pyrenees would be. But I don't get a lot of puppies of this breed, that's for sure. And these pups are pretty mellow overall. They're just happy pups that are really up for anything. But they got a long way to go before anything, because they're young puppies. And the male's just laying there watching. Yeah, these pups are pretty cool. But they got to get out of here soon. So if you're interested in a puppy or two, let me know. Or an adult with the puppy, which is always a great option. And that way the adult can train the puppy. And you'll have generations of guardians. He's gonna tie me up. We're all running. They're like, uh-oh. Yeah, she's cool. If it's time to get your puppy on, come look me up. I have some good ones. They're going to be a good size too. And they're a bit messy because they're a puppy. Not much to them. They're just puppies. Pretty sweet dogs too. Yeah, see, puppy. Hi, puppy. Of course, they don't really have any manners yet. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and help out where you can. Thank you.